So we're going to be doing some gardening here where I'm in Maine. So I've got my my wellies on there. As you can see under my pants. I've got a spade and some gloves. Obviously, because gardeners need gloves. So I'm here doing a bit of gardening in January in Maine. There's a bit more to it than there is for anyone who resides in Wales, in the UK. First you have to find your raised beds, just somewhere under here. You can see there's an echinacea just poking out of the ground there. So that's where the roots of that are. We had some squash in there this summer. But believe it or not, there's some raised planters down here. I don't know, can someone come and give me a hand? Please.